Hey kids, imagine this. Scientists just discovered super tough sharks living inside an active underwater volcano. This isn't some cozy ocean spot. It's a wild, dangerous place with bubbling lava vents spewing out super hot water over 100 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than boiling. The water is also super acidic, like strong lemon juice that could burn your skin. These sharks are like real-life superheroes, swimming around and surviving where most animals would fry or dissolve. But for us humans, no way. If divers tried to go there, the heat and acid would cause terrible burns. It's way too risky. This discovery reminds us that life can adapt to the craziest places. Isn't nature amazing? What do you think? Could there be more hidden wonders down there?